Hi folks, and welcome back. Okay, I've got a new battery for the bike, and I want to say thank you to my patrons. It's your support that has helped fund the project, and it's very much appreciated. This old battery belongs to my Dragonaut. On. Okay, I've got my tail kit in there. And that's the bike ready for its MOT. Woohoo! Well, it's a special day for me, folks. Wish me luck. Yeehaw! I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be the bike's first proper run in 23 years. Look, there's the last tax disc, 1998. Today's the day. It's exciting. Hi. Just so that you know, that close peg is for starting it, because you need 3 hands to start this bike. I have done everything, changed everything. I'm not kidding you, the brakes, chain, tyres, had to change the carbs, had to fix the front brake light switch. It was shorting out in the headlight, I changed that, and it wasn't earthed properly either. So 3 years, 3 years. This is a big day for me. Apart from the fact that it decided it needs more petrol, it needs the settings altered. Just a ball hair, as Willie would put it. Well, I'll just leave them to it.
No, it's fine.
Oh, brilliant.
It's alright, so you'll just be putting all your stuff on it now, yeah?
More or less. A wee bit tweaking, I think, on the petrol air, and then, yeah. I feel great because it's like having a new bike.
Oh, you're finding low as well, yeah?
Yeah. I'm calling this one my retirement bike because it's low and slower.
No, that's ideal.
Well, that's brilliant news, folks. That's a pass. I'm happy. Oh, I'm made up. Thank you.
Well, let's grab the change for you.
Thank you. Oh, that's awesome. We're road legal. Woohoo! Woohoo! Well done, Haywire. Well done. That was awesome. That was brilliant, folks. Woohoo! Oh, I love that. Absolutely brilliant. Time to go home. So I hope you've enjoyed, folks, and until the next one, thanks for watching.